back. Let's do Welcome Back, Kotter. Here's that opening lick. Okay. F, F, G, G, C. F, F, G. Now the verse. D minor 7, G7, C major 7, D minor 7, G7, C major 7. B section is E minor 7, A7, D minor 7. But those dreams, it's going to be a D minor 7 flat 5. They remain till they turn around. A minor 7. Who D thought they lead ya? Back here, G. And tease them a lot. We got him on the spot. G7, C major 7. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome A and C. Okay, one more time. Minor 7, G7, C major 7, E minor 7, A7, D minor 7, D minor 7 flat 5, resolves to A minor 7, and D will thought they lead ya. Back here, we lead ya, it's a G, and back to the head. And that is Welcome Back, Kotter. Easy song to play, kind of jazzy, kind of swingy, and they'll surprise most everyone that you play it for. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the next one.